The tools I'm about to show you are insanely powerful. Please use them ethically and responsibly. This video is for educational purposes only, like for security researchers or people trying to find long-lost family members. I've tested hundreds of OSINT tools, and today I'm revealing the 10 best, all completely free. I'll walk you through each one, step by step, as we go on a digital treasure hunt. The information is just sitting out there, waiting to be discovered. And today, I'm giving you the map. Let's dive in. Here's the first tool. First up is Sherlock, a powerhouse for tracking down people online using just a username. This tool is a game changer for anyone looking to uncover digital footprints. Plug in any username, and Sherlock scans hundreds of social media sites to see where it's registered. It's like having a digital detective at your fingertips. People reuse usernames everywhere. Sherlock exploits that, instantly revealing profiles across Twitter, Reddit, GitHub, and more. It's a treasure trove of information waiting to be discovered. Within seconds, you get a list of links to every profile tied to that username. It's like opening a door to someone's online world. It's the first domino in uncovering someone's digital identity. Each profile is a piece of the puzzle. I'll show you. Just type a command, paste the username, and watch as Sherlock checks site after site. It's fast, efficient, and incredibly revealing. Security pros use this to map digital footprints, connecting handles across public and even dark web forums. It's a vital tool in the cybersecurity arsenal. It's open source, free, and runs on your own computer, no sign-up, no tracking. Your privacy is respected while you uncover others. With one username, you can uncover a dozen profiles and start building a map of someone's online life. It's like piecing together a digital biography. Sherlock is the perfect launchpad for any investigation. It sets the stage for deeper dives into digital identities. Now let's take what we found and feed it into our next tool. The journey of discovery continues. This is where things get really interesting. Ready? Let's go. The adventure into the digital realm is just beginning. Next up, your personal OSINT robot. It's time to take your investigations to the next level. Meet Spiderfoot. Think of it as your own personal army of bots, tirelessly automating your entire OSINT process, day or night. Whether you're a cybersecurity enthusiast, a journalist, or just curious about your digital footprint, Spiderfoot is designed to make complex investigations simple and efficient. Just give it a username, email, domain, or even a full name, and Spiderfoot springs into action, scanning over 200 modules for data, emails, IP addresses, social profiles, leaks, breaches, and so much more. It's like having a digital detective working for you. It cross-references every bit of information it finds, automatically uncovering new leads and mapping out connections you might never spot on your own. The web interface is clean and intuitive. Just start a scan, pick your modules, and let Spiderfoot do the heavy lifting while you watch the magic happen. Spiderfoot visualizes your results as interactive, dynamic graphs, making it easy to see how every piece of information connects in real time. Click any node for instant details. See how an email links to a social account, which then links to a website, and watch the web of data grow before your eyes. It's open source, completely free, and trusted by security professionals, researchers, and journalists all over the world for its reliability and depth. For the average person, it's a real wake-up call, showing just how much of your personal data is floating around online, often without you even realizing it. We're going from a single username to a comprehensive intelligence report in just minutes, revealing a detailed map of your digital presence. Now, let's make this web of data even clearer and more insightful. Visualization is up next. Ready to see the big picture? Let's map it all out together. Here comes Maltego. Watch this. A Maltego is the ultimate tool for visualizing connections, turning scattered data into a living, breathing map of the digital world. It's trusted and used by law enforcement agencies, private investigators, and cybersecurity professionals across the globe. Start by taking your list of names, emails, and profiles. Maybe you gathered them from Sherlock or Spiderfoot, and simply drop them into Maltego's canvas. Instantly, each piece of information becomes a unique data point, known as an entity, whether it's a person, an email address, a website, or even a phone number. With a simple right click, you can run transforms to dig deeper and uncover related information, like social media profiles, IP addresses, domains, and a whole lot more, all mapped out visually. Maltego automatically draws lines between entities, revealing hidden relationships, patterns, and entire networks you might have missed. For example, you might see two people connected by a shared company, or uncover a hacker's web of interconnected sites and aliases. What once looked like chaos is now a clear, interactive map you can explore and manipulate. The free community edition of Maltego is surprisingly powerful, offering enough features for most investigations and research projects. You're not just collecting raw data, you're actually seeing the story and connections behind it, making sense of the bigger picture. This is how you transform scattered facts into actionable, real intelligence. Now let's zoom in and focus on social media activity within the network. We're about to discover what people are actually saying online in real time across different platforms. Ready to peel back another layer of the investigation? Let's dive even deeper. Social Searcher is up next. Watch closely as we unlock even more insights. Social Searcher is your real-time search engine for social media. Search keywords, hashtags, or usernames across Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and more, all at once. It shows you public posts, sentiment analysis, top keywords, and active users. Instantly see what someone's posting, what they're tagged in, and their interests. Set up alerts to get notified of new mentions. It's web-based, fast, and free. No software needed. Perfect for building a profile of someone's activities and social circles. Researchers, marketers, and investigators all use it to monitor conversations. Now let's move to the fastest way to check a username's footprint. Namechk is next. Namechk is brilliantly simple. Type in a username, and it instantly checks availability across 30+ top social networks and domains. See at a glance where a username is taken or available. Click any result to jump straight to the profile. It's perfect for quick reconnaissance or brand protection. Use it to spot fake profiles or find a unique username for yourself. No technical skills needed, just type and go. Namechk is the ideal first step before deeper scans with Sherlock. Fast, visual, and free. Now let's explore the darker corners of the web. IntelX is up next. IntelX is a search engine for data breaches, leaked documents, and dark web forums, stuff you won't find on Google. Search emails, domains, phone numbers, or Bitcoin addresses to see if they've appeared in leaks. It's a window into the internet's underbelly. Use it responsibly. Security researchers use IntelX to track breaches and cybercriminal activity. The interface is simple. Enter your query. See results from billions of records. Even the free search reveals a lot. Just knowing which breaches someone's data is in can be a goldmine. It's a sobering reminder of how much personal info is out there. Now, let's see how deep people search can go. Pipple is next. Get ready. Pipple is one of the most powerful people search engines, connecting online and real-world identities. Use the free demo to search names, emails, or usernames. It cross-references billions of records for a detailed profile. Pipple links social accounts, phone numbers, addresses, and even public records. It intelligently matches data to the right person, even with common names. The results are stunning. Photos, age, location, and more, all in seconds. For investigators, it's indispensable. For everyone else, it's a wake-up call about digital footprints. Now let's talk about protecting yourself. Have I been pilloned is next. Have I been pilloned tells you if your email or phone number has been in a data breach. Just enter your info, and it checks against billions of leaked records. See which breaches you were part of, what data was exposed, and when. For OSINT, it reveals which sites a person uses and possible interests. It's a roadmap of someone's digital history, and a warning to use unique passwords. Set up alerts for future breaches. It's free, safe, and essential for everyone. Now, let's organize all these tools. The OSINT framework is up next. Here's how to use it. The OSINT framework is a massive, organized collection of hundreds of OSINT resources. It's a digital library. Click through categories like usernames, emails, domains, or social media to find the right tool for any job. The mind map interface guides you to exactly what you need, from vehicle lookups to dark web searches. Each link takes you straight to a vetted tool or resource. It saves hours of searching and is constantly updated by the OSINT community. Spend an hour exploring and you'll learn more than days of random Googling. It's the glue that holds your investigation together. Now, let's finish with the ultimate username search. What's My Name is our final tool. Let's see what it can do. A What's My Name scans over 500 websites for a username, more than any other tool. Enter a username and it checks everything from major social networks to niche forums and creative sites. Results are color-coded and categorized by confidence, helping you focus on the best leads. It's web-based, free, and constantly updated by the community. You'll uncover profiles other tools miss, revealing hidden hobbies and connections. What's My Name is perfect for deep dive investigations. It complements Sherlock and Namechk by casting the widest net. With this, you leave no stone unturned. That's our OSINT arsenal. 10 free tools, unlimited possibilities. Let's wrap up. We've just explored 10 of the most powerful free OSINT tools, giving you the power to find, connect, and protect information like never before. But with great power comes great responsibility. Always use these tools ethically. Respect privacy, act with integrity, and use this knowledge to build, not destroy. Your digital footprint is bigger than you think. So is everyone else's. If you found this video valuable, please like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into tech and security. Your support helps me keep making these videos. Stay curious, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.